Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and it is time for us to do our Free It Friday. And like the past couple of weeks, we were doing an RLC vehicle from Hot Wheels, but not only one, we're doing two. We're doing both of the 1990 Chevy SS 454 pickup truck. So we're going to go ahead and do the first release first. That is your black one, the one that people are nicknaming the Black Rat, the 1990 Chevy 454 SS. And this one I like the best of the two. I like the choice of the wheels, and plus the black is, well, the traditional color that was on the factory one. So anyways, you have your Red Line Club logo, Hot Wheels in chrome lettering there. Pretty cool card art. And then on the back side, you have a write-up on the 454 SS. And this is an older protective pack from one of my mailing cards from the Philippines. That's why it says 450 pesos on the back. So anyways, let's get him out of the Protecto, and then we'll do the reading of this write-up on the back, which just states, people have mixed feelings when it comes to rats, unless you're talking about the big block Chevy engine, in which case there is nothing but love. The 1990 Chevy 454 SS exemplified power in the pickup truck world during that time. The opening hood with fully detailed painted 454 cubic inch engine lends a sneak peek into the engine that built this truck's reputation. Black Spectraflame paint with full factory graphics and trim replicate the real life look that could be seen while getting the job done. Real riders, 5-spoke mag wheels with red dot axles add a pop not commonly seen on most vehicles. The Black Rat license plate is a nice tease, into what can be found hiding under the hood. So now I know where they got the Black Rat nickname from. So anyways, let's go ahead and get him out the card. I've already opened this. As you can see, it doesn't look like it's been opened before, but I did get it open here. So let's go ahead and take a look at him first. And as I said, this is my favorite of the two. The white letter Goodyear tires, that red tip on the axle end does look pretty good. And these are the old school 5-spokes that they've had around on Hot Wheel premiums for a while. The black Spectre Flame metallic looks pretty good. And they forgot to mention that the tailgate does open too, which is a really cool feature. Detailed tail lights, Black Rat license plate, the Chevrolet across the tailgate, detailed handle, and then even detailed sliding rear window. And it has red bucket seat interior, which is cool. Black dash, black steering wheel, which adds a nice touch to more detail on the interior. And then it has a little bit of a pop on the hood, raised bump, whatever you want to call it, to give it that cowl induction look. Nice detail on the headlights and grille with the red bow tie, and there's your 454. Fortunately, these were really low horsepower engine back in 1990, but with a little bit of work, they could make some pretty good power and torque with the 454 cubic inches. Nice detailed chassis, metal on metal as always, treaded rubber Goodyear tires once again. And what I like, it's the same diameter all the way around, so really sweet piece. So now, the long waited for, maybe it was about a year later, they released number two, and I used to have two of each. I sold both my black ones and ended up buying a black one back because I started collecting again. So then I bought two red ones, sold the red one on the mint card to someone that collects carded stuff. I kept my one that had slight damage on the corners, and unfortunately the paint on this one is not perfect. But as you can see, it's done in red, and it has like the Hillebrand style looking wheels in the pick, and they don't look bad on this truck. And then the red line logo, Hot Wheels, and chrome lettering and such. And this one, once again, Hot Wheels Protecto Pack. This is the original Protecto. It came in. I didn't swap them out. So let's get him out. Take a look at him. And as like the other one, this one is open already. And anyways, let's do the reading of this one here. So crushing power and insane towing capacity is a benchmark for the 1990 Chevy 454 SS. The immense big block engine set this truck up for success and inspired others to follow in its giant tracks. A sleek look of red Spectraflame paint with black two-tone accents on the bumpers, grille, and rocker panels scream as loud as the truck does. While barreling down the street, Real Riders GT VUM or VUM chrome wheels generate the grip needed for whatever terrain this truck needs to drive on. Some trucks are just meant to set the tone, and this one does it. So let's get him out and take a look at him. And I'll show you what's wrong with the paint on mine. It is on this passenger side door. Let's get him zoomed in. As you can see, it just didn't lay down right. It's kind of a little bit crinkled, and it has, looks like maybe a little bit of dirt there in the paint. It's not chipped or anything, just has that little flaw, which it's okay, but still disappointing. And this thing's everything that the black one is, except this one has a little bit darker tint on the windows, I think, as you can see. Looks like that one's a little bit more smoked with the glass and such. And it is all black interior, black dash, steering wheel, and buckets. And then those, I don't know, I call them like Hillebrand or 10-spoke, like looking wheels. And they do look good on the truck. And the red Spectraframe looks good too. And then this one has a Chevrolet lettering across the tailgate, detailed handle and bow tie, and it just says yes, yes on the license plate. Kind of cool. Detailed sliding rear window once again, and then details with the door handles, the gas tank lid. And it's one thing disappointing, like there's even a couple of spots on the fender here. We're paying these premium prices for premium die cast and getting like $1 die cast quality, which is a shame because we paid 25 bucks plus shipping. And the taxes on these trucks, I expect the paint to be flawless, to be honest with you, and not have any spots or specks or anything. I mean, it could be worse, but it shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. So I am a little bit disappointed in Mattel, but hey, what can you do? And then once again, opening hood, detailed big block, and opening tailgate. Also pretty cool. So nice looking truck besides a couple little paint flaws. So there they are, the Duo. So we'll zoom in a little bit, maybe a little bit too much. There we go. So that is it for our Free It Friday. And we're going to come back this weekend, and we're just going to unbox a couple of Hot Wheels Premiums, a couple of the Drag Strip Demons that we haven't done yet from the latest Drag Strip Demon release. I think I had the 33 Willies, and I have the Duster. Then I also have the Land Cruiser from the recent F&F set. And then I picked up the Nissan 5-pack, finally. It's just mainline cars, but I've been looking for that for a while. Kind of excited that I got it. Those are going to go to Ethan for his collection, but we'll unbox those for you guys either tomorrow or Sunday, so we'll do a few Hot Wheels Premiums and mainlines for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the start to your weekend, and we'll see you in a day or two.